So yeah, there's actually one thing I did want to show you when you hit config. Like, let's do this again. All right, let's turn this off. Drag this back to its home. Right. Take the wicket, bring it in here, put it in, turn it on. Okay. Go to config. Device is still booting. Please wait until it is finished. Instead of waiting, you can hit OK. We can go out of here. We can hit fast forward time. Go right back to it. And now we can see that the card has been inserted correctly. And it's pretty much ready to go. So we got our card in. We're getting things configured for the proper communication between devices to work. And now we gotta go back to R2 because we fast forward time. Go to config. And look at this. We have a serial 00. I think we're supposed to be at 6,400, 64,000, so let's switch that. Okay. I want to see if that did anything for my completion rate. No, it did not. Okay. 172.16.3.97. Okay. Enter that. That's your default subnet mask. Go back here. We're going to do 254.0. Okay, so it looks like we're going to actually just keep that one. So with that, we want to exit out. Now we got to get the cables hooked up. You can do automatic cable, but I'm just going to pick the one we need, and that's going to be this. That would be the serial port. Go serial 00, serial 00. There you go. You got a connection. And after we get this connected, I think we're pretty much ready to move on to the 1A. If I remember correctly, yes, we are ready to move on to 1A. And we gotta go configure this now. So go to config, go to our gateway. Our gateway is going to be 172.16.1.254. Okay. DNS server. Let's see here. Got 172.16.3.61. Okay. Now we gotta go to our fast Ethernet. Get an IP address. Okay. 172.16.0.1. Enter that. That's your default subnet mask, but we're gonna adjust it to 254.0. Turn it on. Then we can pretty much exit out of 1A. Then we can go to 1B. Get this configured. Go to 172.16.1.254. Then 172.16. Hold on just a sec. I have it written down here. 172.16. I think it's 0.98. Let me see. 172.16.1.254. Hold on, guys. I missed something here. Okay, here we go. 172.16.3.61. Lost that for a second there. That's why I got confused. I kept trying to figure out what the heck happened to my DNS server. Okay, go to the fast Ethernet. Then we'll be rolling again. One 172.16.0.2. That will give us the default subnet mask. Default subnet mask is going to be 254.0. Enter. So we got one more thing to do, right? And that would be go here to our R1, go to static. You gotta enter our network. That'd be 172.16.0.0. On the mask, it would be 255.255.254.0. Okay? The address for our next hop would be 172.16.3.97. Okay? Add that. Get out of that. Okay. We can leave router 1. Go to router 2. Same thing pretty much. Go to static. 0, 0, 0, 0. Pretty easy, right? Don't you wish every address was that simple? We'd actually be able to remember them. Okay, next hop, 172.16.3.98. Okay, add that. So I just gotta go to my settings and save this. And you know what? I believe there's a possibility that I forgot to save a couple of these tables. So let's just go to a couple of these. Let's go here. Save it here. Okay, save it there. We gotta turn this guy on. After we turn that on, we'll get a connection. There we go, there's our connection right there. Don't need to do anything with the switch. Just trying to get all these. Figure if I just save all of them, make sure they're all on, we'll be good to go. Before we run the mail delivery, basically, I like to double check because I hate doing assignments 3 or 4 times. Down here, let's save this one. Heck, let's save it again. Okay, go to R1, go to save, go to save again. Okay, so we're going to check and see if our mail makes it, okay? Because we've got all green lights saying that we're ready to connect and ready to go. Let's go real time. Let's get our mail packet right here. Go from type 1B all the way there. Now, it usually always fails the first time. I think most of you are aware of this because we're all in the same classes. We've done packet tracers and we've seen it not work. So that successfully made it that time. Take it in simulation mode. Let's see what happens. Capture forward. PC1B to the switch. Switch to router 2. Router 2 to router 1. Router 1 to server. Server to router 1. router 1 to router 2, router 2 to server 1 to switch 1, switch 1 sends it back to PC 1B. If we keep going, just can keep going, and that's basically it to this. And thank you all for joining me on my video tonight. I'm surprised. I hope it wasn't too long.